Alright guys, happy Thursday. Couldn't really find a good way to show you how to unlock and lock tests, so you have this. So sorry about it. So, I'm just going to quickly show you how to unlock subpart 4 today. Let's see here. So from Pearson Access Next, go home. There's your original screen. Go to the session. Let's go to this one we never use. Oh, let's go Bingham. So I'm going to Bingham. Let's say he has ELA, working on ELA. He's going to be watching his students today. Double click, or just click on that. I can see from this screen right here that subpart 1, I've locked that. Subpart 2, that's been locked. And this morning I've unlocked subpart 3. Now when students all finish subpart 3 and you want to unlock subpart 4, just click the lock on subpart 3, because we can't have 2 tests unlocked at the same time, and then the unlock on subpart 4, and that'll activate it and green the start button for students in their test nav. I hope this was helpful. Have a great one.